Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Then 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. So 1 divided by 81 can be written as 1 upon 81. Okay, but 1 upon 81 is wrong answer. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now here is one division, here is division, and here is multiplication. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Divide 9 multiply 9. Now 1 divided by 9 can be written as 1 upon 9 multiply 9. Okay. So now cancel this 9 by 9 is equal to, the answer is 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And please comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.